Hey everyone, welcome back to Hi English Channel. It's Emily here, and today's topic is one you'll actually use every single day.
Hi, I'm Paul. And trust me, if you've ever stood in line at a cafe, not sure what to say when it's your turn, this one's for you.
Exactly. Ordering coffee or tea might sound simple, but it's also a big confidence moment. It's your chance to sound natural, friendly, and fluent.
You walk into a cafe, the smell of roasted coffee fills the air. The barista smiles and says, "Hi there, what can I get for you?" And your brain freezes.
Yes, that moment. You know what you want, but suddenly words disappear. Today we'll fix that. You'll learn exactly how to order like a native speaker with confidence and charm.
So, grab your own cup of coffee or tea, sit back, and let's start. And hey, if this kind of content helps you, hit the like button and subscribe for more real-life English.
All right, first things first. Let's talk about how to start your order. When you reach the counter, you can simply say, "Hi, can I have a," or "I'd like an."
For example, "Hi, can I have a latte, please?" Or "I'd like an iced tea, please." Simple, polite, and natural.
And if you're not sure yet, you can say, "Could I see the menu?" Or "I'm still deciding, thank you." This shows confidence and politeness at the same time.
Right. The tone is important too. Native speakers usually sound relaxed and kind. Not too fast, not too serious. Something like, "Hey, can I get a cappuccino, please?"
Now let's make it fun. I'll be the customer and you'll be the barista. Ready?
Let's go.
Hi there. Can I get an iced latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. Oh, and can I get oat milk instead of regular milk?
Absolutely. That'll be $4.50. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. Your drink will be ready in a few minutes.
See? That was simple and smooth. You just learned how to order, change ingredients, and finish politely.
And it's exactly how people talk in real life. No fancy textbook words, just warm, friendly English.
Here's a key tip. When you're at a cafe, people often say, "Can I get?" instead of "Can I have?" Both are okay, but "Can I get?" sounds more casual.
Let's practice that. Repeat after me. Can I get a cappuccino, please? Can I get a green tea with honey?
Good job. And remember, please and thank you go a long way. They make your English sound polite and natural.
Now, let's add a bit more detail. Sometimes the barista might ask, "For here or to go?"
That means, are you drinking it in the cafe or taking it with you? You can say, "For here, please," if you're staying, or "To go, please," if you're leaving.
Let's do a quick dialogue again.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, what can I get for you today?
"Hi, can I get a caramel macchiato to go, please?"
Sure thing. Would you like it hot or iced?
"Iced, please."
Great. That'll be $5.20.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Perfect. Notice how every line sounds friendly, short, and natural. No need to stress over grammar. It's all about tone and rhythm.
Exactly. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being understood and sounding confident.
Now, let's talk about how to order tea like a native speaker. You might hear options like black tea, green tea, chamomile, or mint tea.
And if you want it hot or cold, you can say, "Can I get a hot green tea?" Or, "Can I get an iced lemon tea, please?"
Sometimes the barista may ask, "Would you like sugar or honey with that?" Or, "Do you want milk?"
Just answer naturally. "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Simple is best.
Let's do one more mini story. You're in London on a cold morning. It's raining softly outside, and you walk into a cozy cafe.
The barista looks up and says, "Morning. What can I get for you?"
You smile and say, "Good morning. Can I get an English breakfast tea, please?"
"Of course, with milk?"
"Yes, please. Just a little."
"That'll be £2.50.
You hand over the coins, the sound of the kettle hissing in the background, and suddenly you feel part of the local life.
That's the beauty of it. Every simple sentence brings you closer to real connection.
Exactly. English isn't just grammar, it's how you share little moments, like ordering tea on a rainy morning.
Now, let's highlight today's vocabulary spotlight.
English latte, coffee with milk. Cappuccino, coffee with milk foam. To go, takeaway. For here, stay in the cafe. Oat milk, plant milk made from oats.
Let's make a quick example sentence for each. I'd like a latte to go. Can I get a cappuccino for here? I prefer oat milk in my coffee.
Nice. Easy to remember, right?
Very. And here's a motivational reminder. Mistakes don't make you less fluent. They make you human.
Exactly. Every time you try, your English becomes more alive, more natural.
So, next time you walk into a cafe, don't freeze. Take a breath, smile, and use what you've learned today.
All right, we're halfway through. Coming up next, we'll dive deeper into special requests, pronunciation tips, and how to sound confident under pressure.
Stay with us, and let's make your next coffee order sound like you've lived abroad for years.
Welcome back. Let's continue. Now that you can order a basic drink, what if you want something special? Extra ice, less sugar, or a dairy-free option?
Good question. Native speakers use small, polite phrases like, could I get it with, or can you make it with?
For example, could I get it with soy milk? Or can you make it less sweet, please?
These are super natural. And if you're in a busy cafe, tone matters. Keep your voice friendly, even if they're fast.
Exactly. Smiling helps. It changes your tone. You'll sound calm and confident, even if you're nervous.
Here's a mini role play again.
Hi, can I get an iced Americano, please?
Sure. Any sugar or milk?
No, thank you. Oh, and could you make it extra ice, please?
Of course. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
You're all set.
That's it. So natural. And notice the polite rhythm. Please, thank you, could you?
Here's a pronunciation tip. When native speakers say, can I get a? It often sounds like, can I get a latte? Very fast and smooth.
Yeah. So, can I get a latte becomes, can I get a latte? You don't have to copy it perfectly, but hearing it helps your listening skills.
Exactly. Fluency is not only speaking, it's understanding how real English sounds.
Now, let's add one more real-world situation. You ordered your drink, but it comes wrong. What do?
Ooh, good one. Let's act that out.
Excuse me, I think this is the wrong drink. I ordered an iced latte, but this one is hot.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix it for you right away.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all.
See, you can handle mistakes politely and naturally.
And people always respond kindly when you're respectful.
That's right. English isn't just words. It's tone, kindness, and connection.
Now, let's add some idioms you might hear around coffee time.
Spill the tea means to share gossip or news. Wake up and smell the coffee means to face reality. Not my cup of tea means something you don't like.
Let's use them in examples. Come on, spill the tea. What happened at work? You need to wake up and smell the coffee. He's not coming back. Cooking shows? Not my cup of tea.
These idioms make your English sound more native and fun.
Yes, and they're perfect to use with friends. Try one in your next conversation.
Now, before we wrap up, let's do one short interactive practice. Ready?
Repeat after me. Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Would you like sugar?
No, thank you.
Excellent. You just went through a complete real-life situation.
And you did it without fear, without hesitation. That's progress.
Before we finish, let's do one last story. My favorite part.
Oh, I love these.
You're traveling alone in a new city. The morning sun touches the cafe windows. You walk in, feeling a little nervous, but also proud.
You take a breath and say confidently, "Good morning. Can I get a flat white, please?"
The barista smiles. Sure, for here or to go?
For here, please.
You find a seat by the window, the smell of fresh coffee surrounding you. You take a sip, and suddenly, it feels like home.
That's the magic of language. It connects you to the world.
Yes, and even if you only remember one phrase from today, say it proudly, because that's how fluency begins.
Exactly. Every sentence you speak is a small victory.
So next time you go out for coffee or tea, try it. Don't worry about mistakes. Just smile, speak, and enjoy the moment.
Because done is better than perfect, and confidence comes from action, not waiting.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. And to everyone listening, keep practicing, keep growing, and keep believing in your progress.
If you found this helpful, comment below and share one phrase you'll use next time you order coffee.
And don't forget to subscribe for more real English, real stories, and real progress.
Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.
This is Paul.
And Emily from Hi English Channel. See you soon.